This is Ganesh Dikshit. This is exercise 3.1. So first question is, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you. But then, also 3 years hence, now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So here we assume the present age of Aftab, that is x, and present of his daughter, that is y. So first condition is 7 years ago. 7 years ago means before 7 years, so we have to subtract 7 from both the ages. So 7 years ago, Aftab's age will be x minus 7 and his daughter's age will be y minus 7. 7 years ago 7 माइनस कर देंगे, x प्रेजेंट थी तो ये होगी x minus 7, y प्रेजेंट थी तो ये होगी y minus 7. How much times is it? 7 times. So we have to multiply it by 7. Now open the bracket. So 7 into y, that is 7y minus 7 7 is 49. Now 7y transferred in left side, and this 7 goes to here. So it is minus 49 plus 7, so it is minus 42, or we transferred it also to RHS, left hand side LHS, so it is plus 42. That means we get first equation x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Here students, I am explaining this term, why we multiply this 7 from to the age of his daughter, because here it is given Aftab is 7 times his daughter. For example, if we assume daughter's age is 6, then Aftab will be 7 times, that is 42. Then how they are equal? 42 equal to 6, not possible. So we have to multiply 6 by 7. That means we have to multiply the age of his daughter by 7, then it is equal to the Aftab's age. So 42 equals to 7 into 6. Now 42 is the age of Aftab, that means x minus 7, that is equal to 7 into y minus 7. So here we wrote here x minus 7 equal to 7 into y minus 7. Now second condition is 3 years from now. From now means after. So 3 years after, that means we have to add 3 in both the ages. So we add in both ages 3. Now it is given that 3 times I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So we have to multiply by 3. Now open the bracket, 3 into y, so it is 3y, 3 into 3, that is 9. Same here we explained here also, if his daughter's age is 6, then 3 times, that means 18. How they are equal? If we multiply 6 by 3. So 3 into 6 means 3 into age of daughter, that means y plus 3. इसको हमने 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. Open the bracket, 3y plus 9. Now both 3y transferred in LHS, that means minus 3y, this 3 goes to here, so it is plus 6. Then we move 6 को भी left में shift कर लिया, means minus 6. So x minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. This is equation 2. Now we have to draw the graph. So for this, from equation 1 we separate any one variable. So here equation 1 से x को separate किया, तो 7y माइनस का था, शिफ्ट हुआ तो प्लस का, 42 प्लस था तो ये माइनस हो गया, मीन्स इट इज़ 7y माइनस 42 और माइनस 42 प्लस 7y. नाउ वी हैव टू पुट एनी 2 or 3 वैल्यूज ऑफ एनी वेरिएबल. सो हियर वी आर पुटिंग फॉर y की 3 वैल्यूज पुट की, 6 7 8. फर्स्ट वैल्यू 6 पुट किया तो माइनस 42 प्लस 7 इंटू 6, दैट इज़ 42, माइनस 42, दैट विल बी 0. नाउ 7 पुट किया, सो माइनस 42 प्लस 7 इंटू 7, दैट इज़ 49, माइनस 42, सो इट इज़ 7. Next 8 put किया, so 8 7 56 minus 42, that is 14. So these are the points. Again for second equation, so second equation is x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Here we separate x, so 3y goes to here, that means plus and 6 also of plus sign. So x equals to 6 plus 3y. Now here we put the value of y again. So y 6 रखा, 6 plus 3 into y, so it is 3 into 6, 3 6 is 18 plus 6, that is 24. Here 7, so 6 plus 3 into 7, 3 7 is 21 plus 6, that is 27. 3 8 is 24 plus 6, that is 30. Now we have to draw the graph. So for first points, that are, first point क्या हुआ आपको, 0 6 7 7 and 14 8. So first points, here we draw the graph. For this we took on x-axis gap is 5, scale factor 5 unit equals to 5 years equals to 1 centimeter. On y-axis 2 year equals to 2 year equal to 1 centimeter. So first point was 0 comma 6, x is 0 and y is 6, x 0 is here and y is 6, this one. Second is 7 comma 7, so 7 is here after 5, this one approx here 7, and y 7 is here, so they are meeting here, this one. Now next point is 14 comma 8, so x is 14 before 15 something here, and y is 8, so this one, so we get this point. Now we join these 3 points, this is a line first. Now second line points are 24 comma 6, x is 24, 25 से जस्ट पहले ये 24 हो गया अप्रॉक्स. ग्राफ पे आप बनाएंगे से एक्चुअल 24 और कितना 6, तो ये हो गया. सेकेंड इज 27 comma 7, so x 27, 25 से जस्ट आफ्टर हियर, and 7, so it is here. Next is 30 comma 8, x is 30, this one, and y is 8 here, so they are meeting here. Now we join these points. Now this is the graphical representation. Okay, now move to second question, which is the coach of a cricket team buy 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Later he buys 1 bat and 3 balls for rupees 1300. So let cost of 1 bat be x rupees, x मान लिया, and cost of 1 ball be y rupees. First condition थी 3 bats and 6 balls. So cost of 1 bat is x, so cost of 3 bats will be 3x. Cost of 1 ball is y, so cost of 6 balls will be 6y. Total sum is 3900. It is given here. Now we take 3 common, so x, 3 2 are 6, 2y equals to this. 3 goes to in divide, so 3 से divide कर लिए, that is 1300. x plus 2y equals to 1300. Now second equation बनाइए. Second condition क्या थी? Later he buys 1 bat and 3 balls. 1 bat cost is x and 3 balls. So 3 balls cost is 3y because 1 ball cost is y. So x plus 3y equals to 1300. This is equation 2. We have to draw graph. So separate equation 1 from equation 1 any variable. So we are separating x. So 2y goes to here, that means minus. So x equals to 1300 minus 2y. Now we are putting y equal to 0. 0 put here, so 1300 minus 2 into 0, that means 0. It is 0. 1300 minus 0, so it will be again 1300. Next 200 put here, so 1300 minus 2 into 200, that is 400. 13 minus 4, that is 9, so 900. 400 put here, 13 minus 2 for the 8, 1300 minus 800, that will be 500. Now in second equation, so from second equation if we separate x, then 3y goes to RHS, that means subtract. So x equals to 1300 minus 3y. Here it is, x equals to 1300 minus 3y. Now we put y 0. So 1300 minus 3 into 0, that is 0. So subtract करने पे आंसर 1300. 200 put किया, 3 into 200, that is 600. Subtracted from 1300, then we get 700. Now we put 400. 3 into 4, 3 4 are 12. So it is 1200. Subtracted from 1300, so we get 100. Now draw the graph. First points are x is 0, y is 0, and x is 1300. 1300 comma 0, here x is 1300 and y 0, this one. Second point is 900 comma 200, 900 is this and y is 200, this one. Next point is x is 500, y is 400, x is 500, y is 400, this one. So we join these points. Now for this, x is 1300 and y is 0, so 1300 is 0, same point. Next 700 and 200, x 700, y 200, this one. Next 100 and 400, so x 100, this one, and y 400, this one. So join these points. These are intersected at 1300 comma 0. So we have to write the answer. Then x equals to 1300 means cost of 1 bat will be 1300 and cost of 1 ball will be 0. Okay.